It was 8 p.m. The city lights were coming on, but Ali was just finishing his work. He delivered packages all day on his bicycle. His stomach growled loudly. He hadn't eaten since morning.
Just one donut. That's all I need. Then home.
Ali stopped at Mr. Kamal's bakery. The warm smell of bread made his hunger worse. He looked at the display. Only one chocolate donut remained. He counted his coins in his pocket. Exactly enough for one.
The last one, Ali. You're lucky today.
Yes, Uncle. One, please.
As Ali reached for his money, an elderly woman entered the bakery. She moved slowly, using a walking stick. Her eyes went straight to the empty space where the donuts usually were.
Oh, no more donuts?
Sorry, Auntie. The last one just sold.
Ali watched the woman's face fall. He saw how her shoulders dropped. He remembered his own grandmother, who also loved sweet things.
But I'm so hungry. She looks sad.
A quiet battle happened in Ali's heart. His hunger was real. His body needed food. But something else in him was stronger.
Uncle, give it to her. Please.
Are you sure, son? You've worked all day.
I'm sure.
The woman turned, her eyes wide. She saw Ali's delivery uniform, his tired face, his empty hands.
No. You need it, son.
Please, take it. It will make me happier to see you enjoy it.
Tears filled the woman's eyes. Not sad tears, grateful ones. She took the donut with shaking hands.
You have a good heart. May Allah bless you.
Ali left the bakery, his stomach still empty, but his heart surprisingly full. As he reached his bicycle, Mr. Kamal came running out.
Wait! I found 2 more in the back. For you. On the house.
That night, Ali ate the sweetest donuts of his life. Not because of the sugar, but because kindness, he learned, has a way of coming back to you. This story teaches us about sacrifice, giving up something for someone else; empathy, understanding how others feel; generosity, giving without expecting anything back. Sometimes the smallest choices show our biggest character. Look for opportunities to be kind today. You never know how your one donut might change someone's world. Thank you for listening to The Last Doughnut.